A plank with a uniform sphere placed on it rests on a smooth horizontal plane. Plank is pulled to right by a constant force F. If a sphere does not slip over the plank, which of the following is correct? ठीक है, देखते हैं. ये आपका sphere है and it is placed over the plank and contact between plank and ground is perfectly smooth. ये क्या गिवन है? mu equal to 0. Let's say mp mass of the plank है, m is the mass of sphere and r is the radius of sphere. फिर इसमें देखते हैं, इधर एक्सटर्नल फोर्स F एक्ट हो रहा है और यदि प्लैंक में हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में F एक्ट हो रहा है तो फ्रिक्शन ऑन प्लैंक will be in backward direction, which is equal to small f, and friction on this sphere will be in forward direction F. Due to this friction, there will be torque and angular acceleration, let's say alpha, and center of acceleration of center of mass, let's say ACM. अब यहाँ पे देखें, जैसे वो बात कर रहा है कि acceleration of center of sphere is less than that of the plank. ठीक है, इसमें देखें यदि पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट में कंडीशन ऑफ नो स्लिपिंग के बारे में डिस्कस करें, एट द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट यहाँ पे इट इज स्फीयर एंड its acceleration ACM and angular acceleration is alpha, then acceleration of the point of contact will be ACM due to translation plus R alpha due to rotation. And let's say A is the acceleration of plank. Then according to the condition of no slipping between sphere and the plank, ACM plus R alpha must be equal to A. यहाँ से हम कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं A is greater than ACM. तो यहाँ पे जो आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है, acceleration of center of sphere is less than acceleration of the plank, it is correct statement. Now come to the statement second. Work done by the friction acting on the sphere is equal to total kinetic energy. ये भी बिल्कुल ठीक है क्योंकि स्फीयर में जो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स है इट इज ओनली फ्रिक्शन और ड्यू टू दैट फ्रिक्शन रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज डेवलप्ड. देन दिस स्टेटमेंट इज आल्सो करेक्ट. सी स्टेटमेंट टोटल काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम इज इक्वल टू द वर्क डन बाय द फोर्स F. This statement is also correct because if we consider a sphere and plank as a one system, then friction force will be the internal force. Then total kinetic energy is only due to external force acting on the system, which is equal to F. Then C statement is also correct.